Welcome back. This is Akaki and these are my 3D printed puzzles. This design is again by Andrey Ustjuzhanin, designer with hundreds of great puzzles, and many of them have this nice little frame. I don't think I was attracted to this frame sort of design at first, but now that I've tried a few of them, I really like it. It's just the frame itself gives some hints to where each of the final pieces will go to, so you don't have to start from combining these pieces together to start. And these frames so far, some of them have been symmetric too, and this one is no exception. So that brings down the starting confusion a little bit as well. Oh, this design is called Stockroom, perhaps related to the earlier package and super packer puzzles. Again, I'm packing this 5 pieces into this stockroom frame. Okay, we have a frame, 4-piece holes on all 6 sides and some notches going on. This J-looking piece looks quite conspicuous. It's quite large. I think it will have to go partially into one of these notches. No way around that. It has to go, doesn't it? It's 4 long, so this face will always be on the outside. And for a 3 long line to exist on the outside, it has to go into one of these notches. This one could be living in the middle there, but I'm willing to bet that that goes actually into one of these faces like that. I'm pretty sure about that. Alright, let's count on that. This is also 4 long, so you'll have to go through the whole piece. Not much more to say about that. You're quite spiky. What I mean is it's 3 long in two ways, so it's not going to be easy for this to go in from to the design. Only a few directions for it to go. For instance, if I tried to use this 3 long here to fill that gap, I don't think that's a easy way to get it in that orientation. And it doesn't want to turn on the inside easily either. I think this piece only has 2 more ways to go in. Here or here. I think these are the only 2 ways for this to go in. I think at this point both are equally likely, but let's see. If this is the case, now we have a long single slot here that we need a lot of help filling. This can no longer help, and as we know, this can't help either. There's something I didn't try. Let's get you out of there. I didn't try this. How do I do that? I can do all these manipulations that I'm sure you did not see very well. But I think, just trust me, I think I got them back where they were. So this original piece and the large U sort of piece, large J sort of piece is hanging out next to it on the back side. In any case, I have now put in this piece here. Yes. I have put it in. Oh no. I did all that work, but now here it's isolating another box here, so it can't be that. It could be 1 over. No, it can't be that either. Oh no. I did all that work. This seems very likely though. The way this all works seems very likely to be a puzzle solution. I don't think I can fill that, so I'm again thinking this J piece goes somewhere else. Could this piece. So I've had it here for the whole time, and I think this is correct in that it is on the outside, but perhaps that is not the only option for it. I guess this is different from it. Yes, I feel like this is different. It's not symmetrical to the earlier version. So it was here before, now it's here. I think these are not equivalent. And now we have a lot of new options again. For this J piece to go, it could go there. It could go here. Those are about the two options that I can think of. If it is here, now we need to fill this 2 hole. I think a single piece will have to fill it. I think this is the only candidate. It could do like that. But now this whole space up here is isolated, so no. The other way around, perhaps. I can't get it to go in there. I don't think it will go in. So that's not it. So concerning this orientation for the J piece, I think that's out of the question. Here is another one that we haven't tried. And I think that's the only one that we have. So if this is the case, now we need to find another way to fill all these 5. This could do it. This could fill 3, and now we have 2 left. Those 2 could be filled by this. Yes, I think this is taking shape. So this sickle sort of thing, I think it goes like that. It fills all this here, right? And it also fills that hole and this single hole. So if I can find a way to get it in here this way, and this is there. The U can go, the J can go in before this, and it lets it go in. And we have one more. And this is the complicated one, but it seems to fit the bill. It will go into all of those holes, but I have a bad feeling that this is the most complicated one, so we should have started with it. So now I'm trying to remember the location of everything. Let's get that one out. That's on the top here. The J, I sort of remember where it goes. Oh no. You go from the top as well. How do I get you in? Oh, there you are. Okay, so I've got the thorny bit, the complicated one there. I've got the scythe, what is it called? Almost like a, or maybe it's a question mark. The question mark one goes in from there. That's quite a nice motion, I think. Look, ooh, ooh, ooh. The U and the J and this piece, whatever it is, they have to do a little dance. You go down 1, right 1, down 1, and there it is. I've solved it. I've solved the Stockroom puzzle. Whew. How did you like it? You can download the files. I've put them up with permission from the designer, Andrey. You can print it yourself. Easy to print. No supports needed. You need to snap in a few connectors, not so many. You can change settings if you wish, change the size. Color, color is whatever plastic you put in your machine. I really recommend it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.